In this video, I will show you how to install PrestShop into a Docker. Sometimes if you want to try something new, try some modules, you don't wish to turn your website upside down, and then you need to install a test environment into a computer. So Docker is the best option for you. First, you need to install the Docker application. You can find it on the docker.com. You can install the Docker desktop. It's the best option for you with your computer. Then you need to, when you install the Docker application, you will find it here running in your computer. And with the dashboard, you can see all the containers running in your computer. With the Docker Hub, you can find all the official Docker images posted. PrestShop also posted their official Docker image here, so we can use it. With the instructions here, you can run this command easily and install your PrestShop image, but it's not the best way because you need to install the MySQL server as well. If you try the instructions down below here, you can install a PrestShop Docker with a MySQL server here. 5.7 is the recommended version for the prestashop.net. First, we need to create a network. Exactly, it's a bridge network which bridge the MySQL network to the PrestShop network. And PrestShop can use the database in this container. Now we need to run the terminal here. First, create the network. We name the network as prestashop-net. You can use the docker network. This command, You can see the network here. You can see the details of the PrestShop network. Nothing is connected here. After we install the network, now we can create the MySQL container first. I will interpret the command here, the parameters here. --name means the name your container is installed. You can name it as another one, such as Patchy Tech MySQL, kind of that. And the network means the network bridge you want to use. The extra command, this means the password you use. We use the admin as the default password, but it's not the it's not a safe way. If you want to use a better password, you can replace it here. The port, this one before is a port exposed outside, and this 3306 is a port used by MySQL in interior, and this is a version. -d means use a background motion. You can just run it. If you not running as a administrator, you may use sudo command first. But now I'm running as a administrator, so I don't need that command. Let's just use it. Because I have put the MySQL image before, so I don't need to pull it again. If you automatically pull the image, now we can see the image here. The container is running here. You can restart it, you can stop it, and log in with the terminal. We don't need to run it here now, so I'll close it. If you don't need this container anymore, you can just drop it by click the delete button. Then we can install the PrestShop. The name is the PrestShop shows in the container dashboard. The network is the bridge network it uses. It's very important. And the server, they use some-mysql. It's the name of this container. And the port 8080 is what is it's a port we use. If you want to log in the PrestShop, you need to use the localhost 8080 port. Now we run it here. It's very fast. Now you can see the PrestShop is already running in your computer. You can just open in the browser. Now, installation is beginning. It's very fast. Next. You can just install it normally, step by step. It's very easy. Demo shop. It's a John Doe mail address. It's not important. You need at least 8 characters, and it should be complicated. I use admin-1234. Admin-1234. It's not recommended because it's too simple. It's not safe. Now, we're coming to the first very, very important step. We need to use the website illustrated here. We need to use MySQL, just shown in this one. Now press the shop logger name and the password. The password is shown as this one. Test the connection. Great! Connection is succeeded, but the PrestShop is not found. That's good because it's totally empty. You can just create it here. Great, create it. Next. Now create data tables. Languages. So meanwhile, we can inspect the bridge network as well. This one. Now we can see the containers has bridged into this website, into this network. some-mysql. This website is shown as this one. No, his website. You can see all the details here. That's our modules. We have to wait until it's done. If you want to know more information, more commands about Docker, you can just Google it. There's a lot of instructions or user menus about the Docker. Besides, if you want to know more videos about Docker, you can subscribe my video. I will upload more videos about the uses of Dockers and the uses of PrestShop as well. Now all is done here. The password, the email, we should remember it because we have to use it. Now we are facing the second important steps here. Second step. Now we have to remove the install folder. But where? This folder is not installed in your computer. It's in the container prestashop. Now we can click this button to open the command terminal. Here, oh sorry, it's very small. Now we can use the ls command to show what was in. Now, we have to remove this folder. We use the remove command -r install. Now it's removed perfectly. Great. It's all done? No, it's not done. We can see the website, the store. The store is running perfectly, but we can't manage it because there is another step we have to do. We have to rename the admin folder. It gives a random folder name just to avoid attacks. But I don't want to use this folder name. We can use another one. Yeah. There is some trick about the rename. We don't have rename some commands such as rn. We have to use another process. We move admin folder to admin patchy tech. This is a good idea. It's the same way as rename. Now the admin, where's the admin? Sorry. Now the admin folder has become admin patchy tech. We use this folder to log in. Great. Do you remember the email address? mail.com. Great. admin1234. Great. Everything is done. Now you can manage your products here. You can edit the descriptions. You can manage the modules. You can upload some new modules, try some new features in your isolated environment. It's very safe and convenient. Okay. Now it's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.